Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial is on how to do your eyebrows using pencil. I already had a video tutorial on how to do your brows in 3 minutes, but I decided to do an updated version. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows and how I sculpt in this video, please keep watching and don't go anywhere. So for this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using a concealer from Milani Cosmetics in the shade 03 Honey, a spoolie and an angle brush, and a flat eyeshadow brush just to blend in my concealer, then the regular eyebrow pencil from Davis in the shade 03. So I'm brushing my hairs in place and I'm beginning with the lower part of my eyebrows, and I'm going to be following my natural brow lines. I'm going to be drawing it from the beginning till the end. Then going above, I am not pressing my pencil too hard. I am using short strokes, short light strokes, and I'm going to be joining it down from the arch to the tail end. To fill in, I'm going to be filling in from half of the brows down till the tail end, because you don't want your eyebrows to look too shaded. So using my spoolie, I'm going to be brushing my hairs with the pencil together. So I'm dragging the color from the middle down to the beginning to give that faded effect. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the second brows, or for the other part of my brows. So beginning from under my brows, the under part of my brows, I'm just drawing a line, then I'm going above to do the same thing. When I get to the arch, I'm going to have to join the arch down to the tail end. Remember, use short light strokes. Do not shade. And I am not filling my brows from the beginning of my eyebrows till the end. So I'm beginning from the tail end down to halfway. Going in with my spoolie to brush my hairs, or the pencil into my hairs. Now time for brow sculpting. Using an angle brush and a concealer, I'm going to begin also from the lower part of my eyebrows as well. Short strokes while I join them together from the beginning down till the end. I am very careful. I'm not drawing one straight line. I am taking it bit by bit. So I'm spreading the concealer down to avoid harsh lines. You can use your fingers to pat, or go ahead and use the brush to save yourself all the stress. So I'm just blending all this to avoid harsh line. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other eye as well. Beginning with the lower part of my eyebrows. Still using that same angle brush to spread the colors down, and going in with that flat brush to blend it in to avoid harsh lines. Every time you sculpt, you have to look at the mirror to know if both brows actually look the same. So I'm going to be doing the top part of my brows, and I am taking my time, short strokes, connecting them, no rush. I am not doing a one straight line from beginning till the end at once. I am taking short strokes and I'm connecting them. This is just to avoid cleaning your eyebrows in the process of sculpting. So I'm spreading the concealer above, and I'm going to be using the same brush to blend it all in. I'm going to repeat the same step for the other eyes as well, for the other eyebrows as well. You can try to steady your hands on your forehead so you don't have to shake, and you can give that very precise and smooth brows, especially when sculpting. Going back with my spoolie to brush it all in, and that beginning part to get it to look more faded. So this step is optional. Using a brow powder, I'm just going to be setting my brows, just in case whatever oil that's in the pencil, the brow powder can help me keep my brows locked down. So, but I'll be concentrating more on the outer part of my brows, the tail part of my brows. Going in back with my spoolie just to brush everything together to be sure there are no harsh lines. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do share, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.